Assalamualaikum. Welcome to another learning. Today we are going to learn about AverageIf function in MS Excel. AverageIf function in MS Excel is a three-method function which calculate average of a range based on true or false condition. Condition is referred to as criteria. It seems that any number greater than or equal or smaller than another number. Let's see an example in MS Excel. Here you have seen that I have already an example. Let's start calculation. Here write the formula average if. Then here you can see the range. Range means the type. Then comma. Use the criteria. Criteria means we want to see the average of only the type grass, so select grass, then comma, then average range. We need the values to calculate, right? So the values is the our target is average speed, right? So we select the values, range of values, then bracket close and hit enter, and you should freeze the values of range. Then you can put cursor inside B2, then press function 4 F4 and freeze it. B10 freeze it. C2 freeze it by pressing F4 B10. Why should we freeze the range? Because it will not be changed, right? So type grass, fire and water, it will not be changed. Then speed values will not be changed because the change is only in grass, fire and water. So here, because here we have seen the average speed of grass, but in case of this, here we are required to calculate the average speed of fire only, here water only. So these three items will be changed, but the type range and speed range will not be changed. So this have been freeze by pressing F4. Now drag the formula and see the result. This is the average speed of only the type grass. This is for water, this is for fire. So this way you can use AverageIf function based on true or false condition.